Hello friends, so in this video I want to show you how you can generate videos on Google Flow without a watermark. So first and foremost, let me just go right ahead and generate a video right here. Then we're going to show you the trick to generate the videos without watermark. So you can see I've gone right ahead and generated a video, and you can see that there's this watermark right here. Now we want that the videos that we generate do not have this watermark within Google without even using any other tool. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back right here. Now once you are on the project page or once you're on Google Flow, what you want to do is click on your profile icon. Just click on it, and right here you see this new feature that Google has introduced, and you can see I'm on the free plan right now. I'm not even on the paid plan. This visible watermark king. So by default, some it will be on, some it will be off, depending with your account. But what you want to do is just click off right here. Then once it is off, let me just go right ahead and generate a video again, and now let's see what we are going to get. So you can see now the video does not have that watermark, and I can just go right ahead and download it. There's no need for you to use any other tools to remove the watermark right now. Thank you very much for watching.